Good morning, everybody. Time to make deli sandwiches today. You ready? Let's go ahead and get started. Today, you're going to need 1 plate, 2 slices of bread. You also want your favorite lunch meat, and also maybe a few slices of cheese. There you go, foundation of a sandwich. Now, you can add whatever sauces you want, like mustard or mayo, or maybe even add some of your favorite vegetables, like this tomato that I have, some fresh lettuce, or some onion. Yeah, let's work with this today. Let's go ahead and get started. Go ahead and get your plate. Place it on the counter. Take your 2 slices of bread, put the bread on a plate, just like so, 2 pieces. Next, you're going to go ahead and get your lunch meat. You're going to take your lunch meat, open it. You're going to place your meat on your sandwiches. For the meat that I have, 4 pieces will do just fine. So there's 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now, open your cheese. Take out 1 slice and put it on your bread. And now you have a very basic deli sandwich. Now, add whatever you want from here. Just like the things I showed you earlier. I have some mustard. Squirt it on there. I'm going to spread it around just like our peanut butter and jelly sandwich video that we did. I think I'm also going to add some mayo. Good stuff for deli sandwich. There we are. Spread it around again, just like our deli sandwich. And our lettuce, our onion, our tomato. And there you have it. A deli sandwich. Pick it up, turn it over. All done. Time to eat.